Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to recover your Instagram password if you've forgotten it. Let's get your account back in just a few steps. The first step is to open Instagram app and then go to the login page and click Forgot Password, just like this. Now, enter your email account just to make sure. And click on continue. Choose your profile if you have more than one profile linked to your email. And now you can reset via WhatsApp, Gmail, phone call, or SMS. You can choose anything, any way that's available for you. For example, I'll use SMS. Now, Instagram will send a recovery code in my SMS and my message box. The third step is to set a new password. Once you get the confirmation code, you'll be directed to a new screen that offers you to set a new password. Use a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. Make sure to write it down or save it in a password manager just so you won't forget it again. And that's it. Your account is now secured with a new password. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe or leave a comment if you have further more questions. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video.